In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly install Dixon's bulkhead anchor couplings. Before installation, take note of the width of the drilled hole and the depth of the wall or barrier. Pick a coupling that fits these dimensions. Position the coupling into the hole and install the washer on the same side as the main body of the fitting. After hand tightening, use a wrench or wrenches to ensure the fitting is completely snug. The bulkhead coupling has been successfully installed. Dixon bulkhead anchor couplings are available in brass and stainless steel. View our full product offering on our website. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Don't forget to like this video and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.